Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Google on your Nintendo Switch. This is a neat trick that lets you access Google directly from your console. So let's get started. First, go to the system settings on your Nintendo Switch. You can find this icon on your home screen. From the left-hand side menu, scroll down until you find the Internet option. Click on it. Next, select Internet Settings. Your Switch will start for available networks. Please be patient as this might take a few moments. Find the network you are currently using and click on it. This will bring up a new menu with several options. Select Change Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the DNS settings. Change it from automatic to manual. Now, go to Primary DNS, delete the current address and enter the following address, which is 045.055.142.122. Once you have entered the address, click OK and then Save. After saving the settings, go back to the previous menu and select your network again to connect. Your Switch will attempt to connect to the network. If you receive an error message, don't worry, this is a part of the process. Now, you will see a message saying registration is required. Click on Next. And this will load a new page, which might take a little while, so please be patient as it connects. Once the page loads, you should see Google as one of the options. Click on Google to access it. Log in with your Google account and there you have it. You can now use Google on your Nintendo Switch. This trick is handy for quick searchers without needing to switch devices. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.